I feel my pain, I know I gave my best. Through every trial, through every test, though hardships came along my way, you never ceased to hold and pray.
Do not lose heart when dreams seem far. God knows exactly who you are. If it is His holy will and plan, He will fulfill what no one can.
Trust in His divine providence. Walk by faith with confidence. Every blessing comes in time, according to His will sublime. Persevere and never give in. Let hope and courage rise within. Hold on firmly, stand strong each day, for God will surely